Hey, it's Ellen from Rally Insurance Group, and today I'm here to talk about the Chicago Car Show Schedule app and how we use notifications and how you can look at notifications. So the first thing that you want to do is you're going to go to the home screen. This is what the home screen looks like right here. Once you're on the home screen, you're able to go up here to where you see this little menu icon, and you're going to want to click there. Now, the biggest thing for you to keep in mind is that what are notifications? Notifications is the way that we, Rally, who created the app, are able to communicate with you, the app users. We may want to let you know about something like added content or something special at a specific location, but keep in mind that we do not use notifications for every change that we make. Once you click on the menu, you will then go to a screen that you will see where it shows notifications, and you're going to click on notifications. From there, you're going to see that it's going to say notification groups, and you can view history. Once you click there, you can see all the notifications that we have sent out to date that is on this app. Again, I'd just like to remind you that we do not send a notification every time that we add new content. But what this will do is it will provide you a history so that you can see when there was something that we wanted to let you know about and what it was and when it was added. So there you have it. That's all you need to know about notifications. Anytime that you want to check that out, you can just go to the app and take a look and see. If you have any questions about this, you can contact us by phone at 800-801-1823. Or you can contact us through our app, or you can go to our website at www.rallyinsurance.com. Thanks, and we hope to see you out.